Right, this is a screen replacement for the HP COMPAQ model 15AY052. I'm going to start first by removing the battery. The tools that you will need to complete this repair are a Phillips head screwdriver, various prying tools. Doesn't really matter what you have, is anything that you can pry with. We're going to start by getting in between these two bezels here and just working our way down. At the bottom there is some adhesive, so you want to get something that you can stick in between here and get through that adhesive. Once you do that, the rest just pops right off like so. And we've got 4 screws holding the display in place. These are all the same size, so you don't have to worry about keeping up with where they go. After these 4 screws are removed, the screen will come out of the housing, and you will have one ribbon connector that is holding the screen in place. There's a little bit of tape over the top of it. Just peel this tape back. And dislodge the connector like so. And reassembly is the exact same process, just in reverse. Make sure you have this lined up and put it back into the frame. And back go your 4 screws. And then we will just put the bezel back in place. Just snaps into place like so. Make sure every area snaps correctly. You'll also, a lot of places will leave a film over the LCD, the new replacement. Make sure you get that off before you put the bezel back on. That always helps. Replace the battery, and that is the repair.